Students, now we will do exercise 8C, question number 1 and 2. Simplify. 5x minus braces 3x plus 4x minus 2x. You can see these 5x, 3x, 4x and 2x are like terms, and we have to do more than one operation. Negative and positive signs are the operators, these are the operations, and this is called braces. This bracket is called braces and this is called parentheses. These are called the grouping symbols. Now let's do its first part. This grouping symbol, which is called parentheses, first of all we will remove this parentheses. You can see inside the parentheses 4x minus 2x, both are the like terms. So 4x and 2x gives us 2x. How it gives us 2x, I will tell you. 4x means that positive 4x. You can see there is no symbol with 4x. This positive sign is outside the parenthesis. 4x has positive symbol. This is operator, but 4x is positive, so positive 4x means that positive x 4 times, and negative 2x means that negative x 2 times. Now cancel a positive sign with a negative sign, and only two positive signs are left, so positive 2x. This is positive 2x, and we will remove the parentheses. There is no need to put the parentheses over here because there is positive sign outside. 2x is also positive, that's why there is no need to put the parentheses over here. Now we will solve 3x plus 2x and it gives us a 5x. How 5x? 3x. Okay, 3x means a positive 3x. The negative sign is outside, it doesn't belong to 3x. 3x is a positive sign. Just like in the above step, positive sign is outside the parentheses. This 4 has its own positive sign. This is the operator. Okay, positive 3x and positive 2x. Positive 3x means that positive sign 3 times. Positive 2x means positive sign 2 times. And total there are 5 positive signs, so 5x, and we should write here a positive 5x. Now in the next step we have to remove the braces. We will remove the braces in the next step. Okay, when we will remove the braces, this positive sign will be changed into negative sign. How it will change into negative sign? Because this braces means multiplication. Negative will be multiplied by positive and it will gives us a negative sign, and we will remove the braces. Now there is no need to put the curly bracket or braces over here. Okay, now 0. The answer is 0. How the answer is 0? 5x and 5x means that it has a positive sign, positive 5x, and this 5x has negative sign. Always the sign is towards the left hand side of the coefficient. Towards the left hand side of the 5x, 5 is a coefficient, or we can say 5x is a term, 5x is a term, and symbol is always towards the left hand side of the term. Similarly 5x, towards the left hand side of 5x, the symbol is negative, so 5x is negative and this 5x is positive. It will gives us 0. How? Positive 5x means that positive x 5 times, and negative 5x means that negative x 5 times. Now we will cancel each positive sign with a negative sign. Nothing is left, so 0 is left. Its answer is 0. Next question is 8x minus braces 4x minus 4a minus parenthesis 3a plus 5a parenthesis and braces closed. In the first step, we will solve the parentheses. And parenthesis, you can see inside the parenthesis is 3a plus 5a. It gives us a positive 8a. I will show you how. 3 positive, okay, 3a means that it has a positive sign. Negative sign is outside from the parenthesis. This negative sign is not with 3a. 3a has a positive sign. You should know this. 3a, positive 3a means a positive plus sign, positive a 3 times. Positive 5a means a positive a 5 times. And when you will add all these positive symbols, you will get 8. Total positive signs are 8. So positive 8a. We will not remove the parenthesis in this step because there is a negative sign outside. 4a will be copied down, negative sign, and 8a will be copied down from the above step. In the next step, parenthesis removed. We have to remove the parenthesis. And to remove the parenthesis, you can see this positive 8 will becomes negative 8. How? This parenthesis means multiplication. Negative sign is multiplying with positive sign. Negative multiplied by positive gives us a negative sign. That's why a positive 8a becomes negative 8a. And now I need not to put the parenthesis over here. We will remove the parenthesis in this step after multiplication of a negative sign with a positive sign. In the next step, 4a. 4a means a positive 4a. Positive 4 and a and negative 8a gives us a negative 4a. How? Positive 4a means that a positive sign 4 times, positive sign 4 times, and a negative 8a means a negative sign, negative a 8 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is my favorite part when I cancel a negative sign with a positive sign. 4 negative signs are left over. That's why negative 4a. That's why positive 4a and negative 8a gives us a negative 4a. And I will place this negative 4a inside the braces because there is a negative sign outside. Because of this negative sign outside, I will place this negative 4a inside the braces. In the next step, we have to remove the braces. Okay, in order to remove the braces, when we will remove the braces, this positive 4a will change into, negative 4a will be changed into positive 4a. Why? Because the braces, this bracket, braces means multiplication. When negative will be multiplied by negative, it will gives us a positive sign. Now we will remove the braces. In the next step, 8a plus 4a gives 12. 8a means positive 8a. Now we will put positive 8 signs, 5, 6, 7, and 8. These are positive 8a. These plus 8 sign means it is positive 8a. Now positive 4a, 1, 2, 3, 4. Add all these signs and you will get 12a, and we can write it positive 12a. These are very easy questions. Hope you have understand these questions.